Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you so much to the 20 subscribers now. Please leave a comment. I'm gonna take a second crack at this quick set here, man. I got this key here. I'll show you the key. This was a bugger to pick, and I just realized I was just turning it way too hard because I thought that, like, it's just so smooth. It just goes in. There's no resist. It's just very smooth. Once I put the key in, I realized I was like just wrenching on it way too hard, and I was using a J hook, and I switched to this rake here, and it just started going very gentle. I'll show you what I did. Let's see if I can do it again. I'm gonna turn my hand on it like that. That's when I got it. Going like this. There we go. See? I picked on that for 10 minutes with what was it, with this and like a J hook over here. Holy moly, man. I tried all kinds of stuff. You know what? Less was more. Less was more. Lesson learned. There's your lesson for the day, guys. Enjoy.